Okay, if you're preparing for audit and assurance in the near future, then there's a few main things you need to realize now to boost your chances of passing. First thing is that you cannot pass this exam by focusing on learning all the knowledge, okay? Don't try to memorize everything in the syllabus, all the lines of your study manual, because simply there's not going to be that many marks available for knowledge in your exam. It's mainly applicational exam, even though it's 70% written. So the next thing is that you need to understand first of all the whole concept, why audit is done, how it's done, and then break it down bit by bit, looking at the different stages of the audit process and understanding why things need to be done. Once you understand that, it's much easier to learn the technical knowledge and the terms you need to know. And again, you don't need to learn absolutely everything when it comes to knowledge, because it simply doesn't get examined. And your best bet would be to start looking at past exam papers as soon as you can. Then you will notice what the most commonly examined knowledge requirements are. While of course that's not everything and anything can come up in your exam, make sure that initially you focus on learning those main things after you have understood all the different concepts for each of the stages of the audit. For example, you have to understand why audit is done in the first place, what shareholders need to get out of it, and then learn what things the auditor should consider before they say yes to a client, and then any potential issues that could arise, how they deal with them, understand the main principles of corporate governance which are recommended by the Code of Best Practice, understand about how we plan an audit, how we think about potential risks, that there could be a material misstatement in the FS that we can't find, and then of course understand the need for controls, what control objectives are, what are control procedures, and how we can test whether the procedures are effective. Then make sure you understand how we test the financial statements, which is the substantive testing stage. If you do understand the meaning of the assertions, then you could actually see that you can use the same logic that you apply to do different tests on different balances as well, so things will become easier. And last but not least, learn the contents of the audit report, understand how the auditor could provide different types of opinion based on what. Then memorize. After you understand, memorize the technical terms and do a lot of past exam questions. Don't wait until revision. See how they should be answered and then practice doing that to time yourselves. Good luck, guys.